Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Darren Benz don't come outside and they predict say one day, saying they see Vieira as an Arsenal manager. Say the way the guy don't the coach, the guy don't get experience, don't go for France, go coach Nice, come here now for England, can they get more experience with Crystal Palace? Say make una know the surprise. Say in the future, they expect this guy to take over from Arteta, to pursue Arteta, and as a legend wey be, say if they invite and say Baba can't take over Arsenal, come coach us, say Baba go wrong, come say okay, make I come rescue now from the bondage and they so I don't know how I take see this thing with Darren Benz talk. So when I support say in the future make Vieira can't take over Arsenal, I be more go look for a proven coach we go do better than Vieira. What do I think for this one now? Because for me, I don't buy the idea, Jare. We need to look for people like maybe Conte, people like Graham Potter, people who know what they do. You get, we don't do for the game for long. Not because Vieira just be a legend. And the mistake we'll make with Arteta because he be a former captain. Come say okay, don't go learn work for Guardiola or employer. Now they look say okay because this guy now a legend and can't do something. Why not use improving track record? They Georgia. Because this one game when you don't play for Arsenal and I will play 2-2 because of that. You don't be ideal candidates to come coach us. Let me go sleep, Joe. Surprise, Aubameyang don't dey close to matching Van Persie goal scoring record for Emirates. Van Persie scored 46 goals for Emirates. Aubameyang don score 42, so in the 4 goals away from matching this record. And who knows, he can surpass the record because you see now for 2018 we'll buy Aubameyang from Borussia Dortmund. So Baba don score 42 goals for Emirates. Now just 4 remain. He go match that record. Well, we hope saying if we make this fit. On my familiar setting, they call they ask Mikel Arteta, say, Baba, what did they sup with Lacazette? Now, she go give him more like 1 year contract. See the way the fans they love the guy now. See the way the guy they lift the atmosphere for Emirates. So Arteta come talk say, make you know like say giving Lacazette a new contract. Say it depends on a lot of things. You get his age. She not be by 1 game now. You get say it depends on a lot of things. And if you come from media and just they talk all those things, say na internal matter, but hopefully they go see how they go take resolve the issue moving forward. Michael Thomas will be one of our greats. Don't come outside, can they advise Chamberlain? See me Baba can't join Arsenal, make him leave that Liverpool because Liverpool know they work for him. She be now from Arsenal. You move go Liverpool, say they find greener pastures. You don't go there now. You don't see with your eyes see now. You don't live on Benjamin now. They know they play. So it will make sense if you want break into the England team again. It will make sense make you come back to Arsenal, come continue from where you stop. So now Chamberlain hand everything there. I never know how Baba the team go. But once upon a time, Baba reason say almost single from now to January, checking options, scam. If you don't feel say you know going to get game time for that Liverpool in there, say you no go waste time, you go run come back to Arsenal. Still on the media setting, they can't ask Mikel Arteta. Now we say Aston Villa they come down. Say people don't criticize you, say you sell Emi Martinez, you get. So now we say I don't buy Ramsdale. So you feel say I no go really miss Martinez, say don't buy Ramsdale. So I think I can't deflect the question, but no one can answer that kind of thing. But I can talk say anyway, the way things be now, say Arsenal get 2 top goalkeepers in Ramsdale and Ben Leno. Say that Emi Martinez own, they don't sell him, say they don't sell him. And at that time when they sell him, can't keep Ben Leno, it was the best reason. It was the best position where the club did. It was in the club's best interest. You get nobody know whether Emi Martinez will go for future, can't go below. Now everything na gamble. Now so it just be. So now we Papa just end the matter. At the same time, they ask Mikel Arteta say whether Saka go play today because people never really know. Even though they hear say the club physios don't give a green light, he may go play. So Arteta they talk say truly, say this guy never trained for that since that time when that happened, never trained with the club. So they never really know. So by today, they will do final assessments where they know his state of mind. They don't go rush him, they can't go aggravate the injury now. Injury will say don't give person green light to play. Now I can't go rush him. They can't go aggravate before you know that I go be sent the next 3 months. So they go guys check him. If not to rest him for this game, maybe go play the next one. They go rest him because they don't really get resting time, no breathing space. From the match they play last against Crystal Palace, and just 3 days they take rest. Meanwhile, Aston Villa don't get like 48 hours more to rest before they come play. Imagine that kind of thing now. So the reason say instead of them go aggravate this guy injury, it will make sense. Make them give him more resting time. Even Emi Martinez don't come as I call the chook mouth for a move the matter. So Baba can talk say forget what don't happen in the past. Say don't move for Arsenal, don't move. But say whether I hate Arsenal, whether I know like all those kinds of people they talk on social media, say that one a lie. Since they watch Arsenal games, you get say love the club die. Always say what's the vex am say they don't trust them again. After running stay like 10 years with the club now, they don't trust them to give her the mantle of leadership for that defense. So okay, control the back, be our keeper. But he don't move, they say don't move. So all those around past tense, you get one of the cry over spilled milk, say he don't move forward. Even Dean Smith self will be Aston Villa coach self for media settings. They call the ask and say, Baba, you remember say you make offer for Emil Smith Rowe. So what did they stop now? This why we say go play Arsenal and you go meet this guy one-on-one. So Baba call the talk say, well, that's true. Say they make offer for Emil Smith Rowe. 2 offers where Arsenal no even waste time, they reject them. Say Emil Smith Rowe na good player and get and him will be coach. They like good players. So that's why I see the guy is making try Arsenal resolve whether they will need money. At least the offer up to £30 million. Arsenal no accept. He get say the guy is a very nice player and see when they play, everybody loves him. So that's why he said love him. Mark Lawrence, one of our favorite pundits, don't come as I can predict the match between Arsenal and Aston Villa. So Baba can talk say in they see Arsenal winning, though he no give correct score. Saying they see Arsenal winning, so that's so everything just be. Hopefully, Arsenal self will win because for me, I know say we no go lose. Sure, this day, person don't know what thing go predict. If he predicts win, Arsenal go plan that. If he predicts lose, they'll go. Maybe I go. Make I predict lose. Any which way, I hope so we'll go win because we don't already draw back to back. We no fear afford another back to back draw now. We will draw 2 at this moment, win 1. So I expect us to win because this match is a very tricky match. We are going to enter match of the day: Arsenal versus Aston Villa. Today, Arsenal will meet another team we know how to beat them. I'm going to run check their head to head. For the last 5 games for Emirates, Arsenal win 3, lose 2. Aston Villa win 3-0 for year last season. In short, last season, Aston Villa win also man away. Aston Villa don't lose back-to-back defeats already for EPL, so they go try to avoid another defeat. Meanwhile, Arsenal don't draw back-to-back games and no go one settle for another draw or loss. Don't forget say Aston Villa win the last 3 EPL games against Arsenal. Or may not say they're strong, but they not be push away team. Bukayo Saka kind of doubts for this game, but overall we get the firepower to win. As things stand now, Aston Villa no be small team. You get them small on paper, but if they meet Arsenal, they can't come outside, they fight like lion. Last season they beat us man away. Last season for Emirates they knock us 3-0. They can't go for their own home, knock us 1-0. So Mo could not play this people. Mo could not downplay their strength. Mo no look them say they be shit backer. On paper they small look, but then get motivation. That keeper Emi Martinez would like to prove to us say see what you they miss. That is why I go sell me. Now I don't enjoy myself. This guy na shortstopper for Argentina. This guy na number 1. Messi self the prison, everybody the prison. So today it will be battle, and we say we don't draw back to back. We don't go like to draw a 3rd one. We like to win. So hopefully, I pray so we will win today. We will climb up the table. So my dear football lovers, now you will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I will come again, giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you say we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us, and God bless you.